What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and I came out here today on Clark's Hill Lake, and I am out here trying to catch some of these suspended fish. I came up here to Pistol Creek, and I was told that there are some suspended fish, and there are lots of suspended fish, open water right here. So I'm gonna pitch out here, try and see if I can catch me some of these. I also brought with me, because I've been told that I get emotionally involved with these fish when I miss them, I needed an emotional support doll. So I got my emotional support doll with me. So, in this emotional support doll, I'm gonna show that to you in a minute. But I'm trying to see if I can throw on these fish while I'm running my mouth. Come here. I ain't gonna do it. I've got a couple of decent fish in the boat. Let me show you my emotional support doll that Harvey and Nicole Boyd bought me. This is my emotional support. I call her Krista Crappie. That's Krista with a K. Krista Crappie, so that when I miss a fish and I get emotionally involved, I can ask for a hug from my emotional support Crappie. So Krista Crappie is with me today. Let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fish with Drysdale. Let's go get them. There we go. God dog it. See, that's where I just got done talking about my emotional support. So I didn't react so poorly on that one, but I'm gonna take my hug anyway. I just missed a fish. God dog it. There's another good one out there, 50 feet. Might turn my GoPro, might turn my live scope on, see if I can get some live scope footage. Almost dropped my phone in the water earlier today, so I may not want to do that. But we'll see. We'll see if I get comfortable with it. Got him. Finally got another one. That's a good fish. Come here. Come on. Got him. That fish was 22 feet out in front of me, 18 feet deep. So maybe them the ones that's getting them, because I've been throwing at some that are a little bit higher. They ain't moving after me. But a couple more still down there with them. They ain't moving. That's a good fish. Let me see if I can get another one. Line up. Get ready to throw again. Too. He's gonna come to see me. Come on, good. Look like JC done made it out here. That's another good fish. Quality fish, quality fish. So what I had to do, gotta adjust for that current. Let the current pull them into them. I'm running through them. Let's see, try this again. Go it past them, let the current drag me into them. See what happens. See what happens. That's the second one. Come on. Come on, girl. Come here, girl. Oh, that's another big fish. Oh, I got the fellowship net. Get your net ready, please. Come on. That's two. That's cool. That's another fat fish. That's another fat fish. I'm gonna catch this one. I'm gonna catch this one if he hit it. Told you I was gonna catch this one if he hit it. I went in there beautifully. Come on, girl. Decent fish. All of these are decent fish. They're about 11.5 inches. 12. Let me put you in the water. There you go. That's another decent fish. I said I was going to catch that one and she hit it, and I did it. Let's do it again. The scoop broke up a little bit. I need to get my net ready, folks. I'm hard-headed. This is why I oftentimes mess up. So I'll get it sooner or later. Dog it. Yeah, they in there. Hey, what's up, Martins? No, I didn't know that was you. Oh, man. Hey, now that I know it's you, I know I'm in the right place. Sound like me back there. Say what? Oh yeah. That's a meat run fish right there. What I did, folks, is I had my Christmas party this past weekend, and I done burnt through all of my fish. I got nothing in my freezer, and that's really rare. And I got nothing in my freezer, and I got somebody who wants some fish for a party, a little holiday get together they doing the day after Christmas. Come on. Ooh, I saw it. But I didn't feel her hit, so I set the hook. Come here, girl. That's another good fish. Good fish, good fish. Say what? Okay. You getting any? Hey man, well, go and turn it on now. Go and turn it on now. Uh-huh. Well, they don't record if you don't push play. I mean, if you don't push the record button. That's another good fish. I'm gonna put my other line together.
You fishing that school right there?
Yeah, yep. I think I probably got maybe 12 now. Dang, catch the fish, Chris. There we go again. I missed another one. Oh, Krista Crappie. Help me gather myself. Help me gather myself, Krista. I missed him again. I missed him again. That was a good fish. That was a good fish. Oh man. Oh. I might have to put this in my chest pocket. So I'm missing them like that. Let me open up this hook. Maybe that'll help me. Got him. Got him. Oh, let's get him in here. Don't jump off of it. That's a good fish too, folks. That was a good one. She's alright. I can flip her. I can flip her. She's a fatty. That's another good fish. Oh, yep, you messed up coming back the second time, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's a good fish. Net this one for sure. Come on. She's fighting. She was fighting good. So I figured she gonna fight like that. I'm gonna net you like that. She chased me up. She turned around. I stopped my bait. She turned around and was like, what? You stopping? Then came and hit me. And I hit her back. That's a small fish right here. That's a little baby. Look at the baby, folks. Look at the baby. All them big ones I done caught out of here. Look at that little thing. You're not getting no good. Last few fish I was catching them using that 1/64 ounce jig with a split shot. Now I'm going to this 1/16 ounce jig just to see. Yep, and there we go. One shot, one kill. So it ain't the size that they worry about. That ain't the biggest fish, but she gonna make the cut. She might be about, she actually short of 10 inches. I'm gonna throw her back. Now I'm giving them away. Got a fish fry Saturday. Meat run today. Little. Come on, chase me. Little. Yeah, I gotta say that water's kind of clear. Seeing these fish come up. Little fish hit this big old 1/16 ounce jig here. And when I'm using the 1/16 ounce jig here, here's what I'm using. This one is a Citations Crappie jig. That is Conley Stone Citation Crappie jig. This one is Fulton Green 1/16 ounce jig head. And I'm using that on my 6-foot precision cast Catch the Fever rod. 6-footer, 6'6" rather, it's a 6'6". And when I'm throwing my 1/64 ounce jigs, I'm using my Crappie Baits by CMI with my 8-foot Catch the Fever rod. There we go. That's enough. This one, oh, that was a better fish. Oh, you want to put some muscle? Oh, yeah, that's a better fish. Come on here, baby. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. She ain't gonna make no Shirley, but she make a curly. She'll make a curly. We'll see you again Friday. All right, let's take a look at what this live well looks like right now. We'll get them out of there when we get off of this water, but we got some big Shirleys in there. Some fatties. Let's get on off this water, see what we did. All right, YouTube, that is gonna wrap up another episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. You can see we got a nice little mess of fish here. I think it's about a 20 piece. As always, thank you all for watching. I'm gonna send a shout out right now to, again, Harvey and Nicole Boyd. Let me run around here and get my emotional support crappie from them. Oh, Chris the Crappie here helped me out a little bit today. I got a little bit emotional a couple times throughout the day. So folks, again, Harvey and Nicole Boyd, thanks for my emotional support cushion. So as always, folks, I want to thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves those comments, and everybody who hits the like button. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, you already know what it is. Thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you, and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty crappie. So until next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.